In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a secured PDF document. Easy guide. To get started, open the secured PDF document in a PDF reader or editor, such as Adobe Acrobat Reader. This is the first and most important step, because you need to view the file inside software that can display its security settings. Once the document is open, take a moment to make sure you're working with the correct file before moving on. Next, go to the document's properties so you can check its security settings. In Adobe, you can usually do this by clicking File, then Properties, and then opening the Security tab. Depending on the PDF software you're using, the wording or menu location may look slightly different, but the goal is the same. You want to find the section that shows what actions are allowed or restricted for that document. When you're in the Security area, look for the Permissions section. This is where you can verify whether content copying is allowed. Some secured PDFs let you view the file, but block copying, printing, or editing. If copying is already permitted, you can continue right away. If it isn't, the document may require authorization before that option becomes available. If you are the document owner, or you've been given permission by the owner, enter the password to unlock additional permissions. This step is only appropriate when you're authorized to do so. After entering the correct password, the document settings may update and allow actions that were previously restricted. Once copying is permitted, select the text or content you want to copy. Click and drag your cursor to highlight the exact section you need. It's a good idea to double-check your selection before copying, especially if the PDF contains multiple columns, headers, or footnotes that could accidentally be included. Now copy the selected content. You can right-click and choose Copy, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl and C on Windows or Command and C on Mac. After that, open the document or application where you want to place the text and paste it using Ctrl and V on Windows or Command and V on Mac. As a final reminder, always respect copyright and usage rights when working with secured PDF documents. Even if a file can be opened, that doesn't automatically mean all content can be reused freely. By checking the permissions and using authorized access when needed, you can safely copy content from a secured PDF when the document owner allows it.